It is not possible to look at cliff erosion in East Anglia without reference to the nucleated village of Happisburgh, which has become to be synonymous with the very process. The cliffs at Happisburgh fall away like pages torn from a book, each collapse exposing another layer of deep time. Here, the North Sea is both archivist and eraser. It reveals the footprints of the first humans to walk this coast, then sweeps away the homes of those who followed millennia later. The village stands at the edge of endurance, its gardens and roads surrendered one by one, yet its church tower still rises above the encroaching tide. Happisburgh is not only a place of loss but of witness, a reminder that settlement is always provisional, that memory clings even as the ground beneath it gives way. We rolled in on the first Saturday in November, just as the village was clearly preparing for Remembrance Sunday, and we did indeed take time out to visit St. Mary the Virgin in the village centre. But the real purpose for being here on the Norfolk coast was to take the ground photographs of this part of the coast against which future images can be compared. Not being geologists, we cannot share any techie stuff, but what we can say, this coastal cliff face is in big trouble. It's a relatively dry day today, yet water is just seeping out of the cliff, between the layers. The very weight in these cliffs will no doubt cause them to continue to slip. With that amount of lubrication between the different stratas, they can do nothing else. So what next? We can only document this coastline here in 2025, and these cliffs at Happisburgh come under the Shore Management Plan number 6.12. It is not encouraging. The plan specifies that there is some risk of ground instability. Hopefully the authors will watch this and amend the wording.